can your team make reading and writing an exciting interactive journey for every child? Kindiedays Phonics workshop equips your preschool with a proven multisensory approach to teaching reading and writing. From letter sounds to blending and segmenting, this workshop provides dynamic, playful methods to ensure strong literacy outcomes for every child. This 2.5-hour workshop, including a Q&A, gives your preschool the expertise needed to implement effective phonics instruction and create a joyful, successful path to literacy. And with follow-up homework to apply what's learned, your preschool is ready to make literacy a core strength. Ready to enhance your children's reading journey?